Good Monday morning. This is our rainbow and cloud lunchbox today. Since it's raining, I decided to brighten their days with a rainbow lunchbox. So we have cucumbers, carrots, cherry tomatoes, blackberries, boiled eggs, and raw cheese. And then the same thing here. Only I added some extra chips to these lunch boxes. And then Harmon has the same thing. And I love these cute little notes you can add in here. And I put a reminder to eat it all. That's for Harmon's. And here's Shauna's. She has pretty much the same thing minus a few cucumbers because she's not a huge cucumber fan. And then she wanted a pick for her blackberries. And I shaped her boiled egg into a cute bunny face. And then I do always add just a teeny tiny bit of real salt because they will not eat cucumbers and boiled eggs without real salt. And that is our Monday morning over the rainbow with a cloud lunchboxes.